In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account with Zoom on your desktop. Whether it's for business meetings, online classes, or just staying in touch with loved ones, Zoom is a powerful tool for virtual communication. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can get started smoothly and hassle-free. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom sign-up page. Simply type in zoom.s signup in your browser's search bar, and you'll be directed to the sign-up screen. Right at the start, Zoom seeks to verify your age by asking for your birth year. This is just a precautionary measure to ensure compliance with age-related regulations. Go ahead and enter your birth year, then click on the Continue button. Next up, you'll be required to enter your email address. Choose an email that you have easy access to, as it will be crucial for verifying your account. After typing in your email, click Sign Up. This will initiate the account creation process. It's a good idea to double-check your email address for any typos before proceeding, as this will prevent any hiccups in receiving your verification email. Once you've signed up, head over to your email inbox. You should find a verification message from Zoom. Keep an eye out for an email from noreply@zoom.us. Within this email, click the Activate Account link. This step is vital as it confirms your email address and activates your Zoom account. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes emails might land there by mistake. With your account activated, Zoom will ask you to provide a few more details. You'll need to fill in your first and last name and create a password. Choose a password that's strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Once all this information is entered, hit Continue. Zoom may suggest that you invite others or start a meeting immediately. However, if you're not ready to jump into that just yet, feel free to skip this step and explore it at a later time. Now that your account is set up, it's time to access it. Go to zoom.us sign in to log into your new Zoom account. This is where the real fun begins. To make the most out of your Zoom experience, you might want to download the Zoom desktop app. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and other platforms, and provides a seamless experience if you plan on using Zoom frequently. Alternatively, there's a mobile app too, which is perfect if you prefer using your phone or tablet. Finally, don't forget to update your profile settings. This includes adding your name, a profile photo if you like, and setting your time zone. Doing so ensures that your Zoom calls are scheduled correctly and your profile is complete. There you have it. You now know how to set up a new Zoom account on your desktop, and you're ready to dive into your video meetings and calls. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming.